You may have experimented with giving out a free gift with purchase. And this is a little bit of a twist on that type of a workflow where let's say you've got multiple potential gifts. Here's my inventory in my test store. Obviously, we've got our trusty blank brown towel as usual. And let's say that you've got two different potential gifts, right? These shades and these shades. And you want to pick whichever one of those has available inventory. So you want to give out this first one up through whatever available inventory you have. And then you want to automatically switch over to the next item and give that out as a free gift once the inventory is used up. That's what this workflow does for you. That's how she works. Okay. So triggering on order created, then let's say you want to do it on order total meets some minimum number, $100, what have you. And then here is your list of free gift SKUs. And they're in order here. So it's going to go by order through these. And then this just gives you some minimum level. So if you want it to be 0, you can set it to 0. But let's say you want a little bit of padding, right? So you only want to give this out up to some minimal level just to have some padding. That way you can give yourself some padding if you want to do that. If not, just set it to 0 and it'll give that away all the way until you've got nothing left. So you've got absolutely nothing left. Okay. And then this custom code step is going to grab the first SKU that has available inventory. So it's going to be querying the inventory levels for each of those SKUs and then across all your warehouses and then returning the first one in order that has inventory available. So that's what that's going to do. And then here we're just going to add the item to the order. And also probably for good measure, you want to go ahead and tag it so that you can see a quick list of all those orders that have been free gifted in case you need to do something with them. So that's how it works. So when you're setting this up, you just want to set those order totals and then you just want to figure out which SKUs you want to give away. And then you will be good to go. Hope that helps. Feel free to reach out if you'd like any help setting that up. Good day.